Madam. I'm the director of the Race Policy and Law Academy here at Oakland Tech, which essentially means I'm like the lead teacher of the academy.
The important thing about this particular exercise today is that it probably enhances and develops the most important skill that anyone can have in any profession, in any field, which is the ability to communicate verbally.
And I understand that you're like Ray's advisor or mentor. And so she listens to what you say since she's your student.
Yeah, we do that every year.
I feel like when we look at like the laws and like the things we have in place, like on paper, it seems fair and like just, but then when we have people in power who are making these decisions, it's not so fair.
You're following a correct line of questioning and a theory of attacking his credibility.
It's really something new to me, especially like right off the bat. I mean, my first impression of RPL right away was, this is so new to me. Usually a classroom will have the teacher feeding kids answers, and I feel like how RPL is, it's kind of like a more mutual community learning.
In our RPL Academy, we learn a lot about laws too and how it's made, and we discuss if it's fair or not.
I knew that Ray was handing Jason the Adderall.
So my hopes with mock trial is that all students, but particularly students who struggle, find a way to like care about something in school and find like a way to see themselves as people who have, or as individuals who have, the ability to kind of make arguments and use evidence, so like academic skills that they often don't see themselves as having, but they do have, and through the mock trial process I think they're able to kind of tap into that. It's exceeded my expectations beyond like anything I could have imagined in terms of student engagement.
Well, race policy and law is just super interactive and community-based. It's honestly really fun to be a part of, and I always look forward to going to class. It's really progressive, forward-thinking. It gives students the opportunity to have real and genuine conversations. We always talk about really important subject matter that's relevant to the world today.
Now more than ever, we need our young kids, teenagers, young adults to take part in our democracy. If we don't get enthusiasm for that, then our democracy is going to fail.
I would just tell them to go for it. I mean, the students just have so much fun with it. You're able to, I think, really, if you reach out to the community, get outside folks to come in and serve as judges, which we had. I had a lot of attorneys come in and coach students through the process, which was a fantastic experience because it provided both career exposure and learning around skills. And yeah, I think the students just really embrace it and take it seriously, as evidenced by all the hard work they put in after school. They were practicing in my room at lunch. They all got dressed up for the day of trial in professional dress, so they had that opportunity as well. So I would just say, like, if you have any kind of interest, to definitely go for it. Because yeah, I was really nervous about doing it. I didn't know that it would work. I was kind of nervous for a lot of reasons that it wouldn't work. But none of those fears I had came to pass, and instead, like, I've only seen like really high levels of student engagement.